Give me an opportunity to say something on this auspicious eve. Honorable Director Sir, Principal Sir, teachers, guardians, a very healthy warm and sound good morning to all of you. It's a matter of pride that we got a chance to say something on this auspicious eve. And it is 26 January today. As you know that this day is known as a red letter day in the history of our country. We know that our country free on 15 August 1947, but not finally free. Our country finally free on 26 January 1950 because the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. For getting this freedom, and we had to fight with British. They ruled over us for a long time. And the greatest leader, Mahatma Gandhi, played an important role in the freedom of our country. And you must have heard the name of a person, Rajkumar Shukla, and who was the affluent farmer of Champaran. And he heard the name of Mahatma, and he knew that Mahatma Gandhi was the great philosopher. And when he heard everybody obey Mahatma Gandhi and Rajkumar Shukla and went to Sabarmati Ashram and invited Gandhiji, please you come to Champaran and see the conditions of farmers. And farmers are suffer from oppressive plantation systems, begari systems. And after many requests of Rajkumar Shukla and Gandhiji came to Champaran and see the conditions of farmers. And here every farmer suffer from oppressive plantation system. And Gandhiji started Satyagraha on the soil of Champaran. And first time Gandhiji came to Champaran in 1970. And what do you mean by Satyagraha? Means of Satyagraha to protest British on the basis of truth and non-violence. And when Gandhiji came to Champaran and he told the farmers, and do not pay tax to the British, you do not obey him. And Gandhiji has written a book, Hind Swaraj, in 1909. In that book, he has mentioned that British settled in India with the cooperation of Indian. If Indian didn't support them, their government collapsed within a year. And after that, our fight and struggle continued for a long time. And in this struggle, many body jailed, many body killed, but we did not give up hope. After long time struggle, a long chain of slavery was broken and New India was born on 15 August 1947. After that, our constitution was formally accepted on 26 November 1949, and this is the reason we celebrate Constitution Day on 26 November. But it's officially our constitution implemented on 26 January 1950, and this is the reason, and we host national flag every year on 26 January. And what is Constitution? And Constitution provides safeguard of our country. Constitution is the set of many rules and regulations, and we follow them. And Constitution provides us many things. And we are the largest democracy of this world, and we are enjoying our constitution. And before implemented our constitution, and there is no any rights. But when our constitution are implemented, and we can do anything, and we can do according to our choice. But before freedom, it never happens. And constitution provides supreme law for the country for the people of our country. And my dear students, it's not only day of celebration, it's also day of pledge. And we must take a pledge on this day, and we should strive for national unity and integrity. I see some my dear friends save his time to say something on this auspicious eve. Shortly, I am going to finish my speech, but before finishing, I want to say something in Hindi. Everybody listen to me. खूब बहती है अमर की गंगा, ये तुम बहने दो, मत फैलाओ देश में दंगा, ये तुम रहने दो, लाल हरा मत बांटो हमें, बस मेरे छत पर एक तिरंगा तुम रहने दो, बस मेरे छत पर एक तिरंगा तुम रहने दो। और इन नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे बच्चों के लिए मैं चंद लाइन पेश करना चाहूंगा। आप ही से इस देश की जान है, आप ही से इस देश की शान है और आप ही से इस देश की पहचान है। और जहां आप से फूल खिलते हो उसी देश का नाम प्यारा हिंदुस्तान है। आप सभी के बीच एक चंद कविता मैं पढ़ना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि आज ही मैं सुबह जब मैंने न्यूज खोला तब हमारे जम्मू कश्मीर में आतंकवादियों ने फिर से अटैक कर दिया और हमारे देश के वीर सपूतों ने उन 5 आतंकवादियों को मार गिराया। तो मैं और वो 2 देश एक बार आजाद हुआ, एक हिंदुस्तान बना और एक पाकिस्तान बना। लेकिन जो हिंदुस्तान आजाद हुआ वो चांद पर चला गया, लेकिन पाकिस्तान जब आजाद हुआ 14 अगस्त को 1947 को, तो वो अभी भी भारत में घुसने की कोशिश कर रहा है और उसकी हर कोशिश को हम लोग नाकाम कर देते हैं। तो उन चंद सब उन पाकिस्तानियों के लिए मैं पेश करना चाहूंगा। ए पाक तेरा ख्वाब फवारा है, वो फवारा ही रहेगा। तू किस्मत का मारा है, मारा ही रहेगा। तेरे हर एक सवाल का जवाब करारा है, करारा ही रहेगा। सदियों से कश्मीर है हमारा, हमारा ही रहेगा। दोस्तों को दोस्ती से, दोस्तों को दोस्ती से, दुश्मनों को तलवार से। भारत को चाहता है जो भी हो प्यार से, यूं सर पटक कर जान दे दे है धार तेरे शमशीर में। कश्मीर को लिखी हुई है भारत की तकदीर में। यूं कश्मीर के बगैर हमारी जिंदगानी नहीं है। मेरे रगों में जितने खून, तेरे कुएं में उतनी पानी नहीं। सदियों से कश्मीर है हमारा, अब भी मुझसे दूर नहीं। तुम मांगा है मुझसे, वहां की मिट्टी भी लेना मंजूर नहीं। कान खोलकर सुन लो, बीबी बच्चों से बढ़कर कश्मीर तो मेरा जानू है। मत करना धमाके की बात, भारत का हर एक पत्थर भी परमाणु है। इन चंद शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देने जा रहा हूं। And with this, my speech finished, because some my dear friends say it's time to say something on this auspicious eve, and shortly I am going to finish my speech. But before finishing, and सभी लोग अपनी आवाज ऊंचा कर कर बोलेंगे, वंदे 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 माता की, माता की, I want to take microphone, Priyanka, and take this microphone, and I had this program. Thank you. Have a good day.